This is a Mindful Souls subscription box. This is box number 6. Let's have a look and see what goodies we've got in this one. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. Today's video I have an unboxing for you, and it is this. So I have very kindly been gifted this box by Mindful Souls. This is the second box that they have given me. I get this box in return to do an unboxing on my channel for you lovely lot to see. So yeah, Mindful Souls is such a different box from other boxes I show on my channel, and I can't wait to show you what's in here. So if you are interested in subscribing to this box, I will leave a link down below in the information box and the comment box. I believe it gets 20% off the cost for you, so make sure to check that out. But without further ado, let's have a little sneaky peek in here and I'll tell you some information about this box. But before we do, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. So I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. When we get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to link a video here. In that video, it's just going to show you what is basically in the giveaway. The main prize is the glossy 2021 advent calendar. But yeah, let's open this up and have a little sneak peek. So this is inside the box. We have a card here with information about the products that are in the box. And I didn't mention before, this is box number 6. So they don't do ordinary months. So you're not going to get a February box, you're not going to get a March box, you're not going to get an April box and so on. They do number boxes. So yeah, this is box number 6. We will be referring to this throughout the video. Also in here we get an affirmation card. It's got the Mindful Souls logo on the back there, and this affirmation card is for career. So it just says, wonderful new opportunities are opening up for me to use my unique creative skills and abilities. Oh, very interesting indeed. We also get a little sticker. That's really cute. And it just says, feel the world. And it's got like a funny little bear on there. Is that like a polar bear? But yeah, very pretty. There you go. There's a sneak peek. Not much of one, unfortunately, because all of the products that you get in this box, bar that one there, that big one at the back, come in these canvas bags, which is great because you can use them to give to your friends and put little treats in and stuff, which is quite cool. But I've just got their website up on my phone just to give you some information about the box. It just says, treat yourself to a monthly surprise. You get 6 to 8 different items in each box. The first box ships immediately and you'll get it within 2 to 6 days. All the following boxes ship on the 7th of every month. You can cancel it anytime for any reason. Sit back, relax and let us create your first box. In each box you'll find a new variation of powerful crystals, gem jewelry, relaxing aromatherapy, mindful talismans, natural beauty products, monthly affirmations, which you just went through my one there, detailed information guides, spiritual mystery items. Grow with new self-love rituals, learn new different crystals and their properties, kickstart or magnify your spiritual journey, enhance your meditation and healing practices, reduce stress and discover mindfulness. So if that sounds like a bit of you, stay tuned and we'll go through and see what's in box number 6. This box costs $39.97 per month. Oh my god guys, this box smells absolutely amazing. Oh, so good. So I'm just going to randomly pick one of the bags up and we will start off with this one. I love this where you have to unwrap each one. It's brings a little bit of excitement to it. So this is the first item we have. It looks like a comb. Let's have a look. This is a jade hair comb, so it is, yeah. Used for centuries to stimulate blood circulation, promoting new hair growth. This holistic beauty treatment will leave you feeling relaxed. Combing massages all of the acupoints of the head, which regulates excitement and inhibition in the cerebral cortex. So regulating your body's meridians can be good for overall health and can be achieved with this combing technique. That sounds so cool. So this sounds right up my street, especially if it promotes hair growth. That's a journey that I'm really want to take. It's got a good weight to it. Let's just give it a go. Oh, that is nice actually. I could do that for ages. I love it even better if somebody else was playing with my hair and playing with my scalp, but still that feels really nice. And when you do it as well, they're not pointy, so it's not scratching your scalp at all. It's just gently gliding over, and it's cute. So the next little baggie we have. Ooh, how pretty is this? That stone is gorgeous. So let's have a look. So this is raw citrine necklace. Powered by the sun, citrine is a stone of light and happiness. High vibes bring a clearer mind and a more positive outlook on life. Transform your raw intentions into polished realities with this manifestation power of raw natural citrine. Citrine casts beams of joy throughout your space and spirit. Having a piece of raw citrine in your home creates an ambience and happiness and elevates the vibrations of your home. If you feel like your home environment is a little gloomy, let the energy of the sunny stone brighten it up. That is so cute. So I must admit, I'm more of a silver girl, so if this would have been silver, that would have been perfect for me, because that is something I would definitely wear. With it being gold, I really won't wear that myself, so I will either gift this on to a family member or find a nice little space in the house where I can hang it up and it can look pretty, because I think I can get away with it using it as a hanging decoration because it's so gorgeous. So the third little bag that we have contains, oh my god guys, that's so cute, look at it. Oh, I love these little coloured beads, just gives it a little bit of something else. What is it? That's the most important thing. What is it? This is a rose quartz pendulum. A pendulum with the calming properties of rose quartz crystal. To start using a pendulum, you hold the small end in your hand. Remain very still and ask it yes or no questions. If the pendulum moves in a circle, the answer is yes. If it moves from side to side, then the answer is no. This is a very basic explanation, but let your intention guide you. When asking questions, try holding the pendulum over your favourite stone or crystal for clearer answers. That sounds very cosmic indeed. But look at the rose quartz. That is absolutely stunning. Again, find a nice little space in my house to hang this up in, and oh, that is so cute. The fourth little bag I have is here. Let's open this one up. Oh guys, look at that. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? So this is a blue goldstone bracelet. Blue goldstone combines mysterious character and origins with a very practical health benefit. The copper particles suspended in the stone are thought to provide warmth and comfort to arthritic conditions and ease pain. Oh! Copper is known for bringing relief to arthritic pain by reducing inflammation while increasing mobility and flexibility. The colour of the stone makes it an excellent tool for restoring and balancing the third eye, also called brow chakra. Promoting intuition and psychic abilities, goldstone is also said to be the stone of wealth, as it promotes vitality and ambition. Yeah, so it's a very dark navy blue colour. It's got like little teeny tiny bits of not necessarily glitter, but little sparkles on it. I don't know if it's going to pick up there, but it is absolutely gorgeous and that fits perfectly. I'll definitely use this. This is so nice. And I just happen to have arthritis as well, so we'll see if it'll help us with that, because I will try anything. On the last little baggie, and then we have something else to have a look at, but let's open this one. Ooh, this is what we have. Oh, it's so nice and it feels so smooth. It's gorgeous. So this is tumbled amethyst stone. Amethyst is a natural stress reliever that brings protection and spiritual growth. It rids your home and body of negative energy while attracting positive energy. Amethyst stone holds the exact kind of relaxing energy that we all could use after a long day. Allow the energy of contemplation to soothe away day-to-day stresses that keep you up at night. Oh my god, please work. Please work. But yeah, that is really cool. And if it can do what it says, awesome. If not, it makes a lovely cute little decoration. That is absolutely gorgeous. Last thing in the box we have is this, and this explains the gorgeous scent that I am smelling right now. So this is Nag Champa incense, and it just says Sai Baba Nag Champa. I am totally saying this wrong, and it's not out of ignorance. I really apologize. It's out of just me being dumb. Me trying to pronounce things. It's not good, really not good. It just says enjoyed by millions. It is the most popular Indian incense in the world. Nag Champa is a hand-rolled blend of flowers, spices and resins. The natural ingredients, herbs, resins and masala are blended to perfection to create a smoothing aroma. The aromatic incense, with its sweet yet earthly fragrance, will enhance any mood or environment. So the one that I have here, it is that the scent of it? Goloka, sorry. But oh, I'm gonna have a little peek just to see exactly what I... Oh my god, guys, it smells so good. So you get a packet of incense sticks. I am going to save these for my new beauty room when I move. And just looks like an ordinary incense stick. I can't wait to burn them. They're so nice. Awesome. Can't stop smelling it. It's so good. I've saved it till last. On the back of the little edit card that we get, there is a little saying there, and it just says, pay attention to things that are naturally drawn to you. They are often connected to your path, passion and purpose in life. Have the courage to follow them. That is so cool. I'll just show you there. But yes guys, this is box number 6 by Mindful Souls. What do you think? Personally, I absolutely love this box. I really do. The pieces that you get in here are so pretty, so gorgeous. I think they're really well thought out. I love how you get explanations behind the stones that you get. I just love all of it. I absolutely do. It's so nice to unbox something different. So a big thank you to Mindful Souls for gifting me yet another box. But what do you think? Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.